Step 1. Open the motor cover. Turn the machine over. Turn the screws counterclockwise to remove them. Turn the machine back to the front. Remove the motor cover. Step 2. Unplug the cables from the controller. Press the clip on the terminals to unplug them. Step 3. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove screws from the controller. Step 4. Remove the damaged controller. Remove the adhesive glue from the black communication cable terminal by hand. Gently pry open the clip on the top of the terminal like this to unplug the cable. Step 5. Install the replacement controller. Note the back of the controller faces the belt. Align the 4 holes and secure the control board with screws. Tighten the screws by turning them clockwise. Plug the black communication wire into the new controller. Here, make sure it is plugged in securely. These are the cables from the motor, one red and one black. There's 2 ports, M+ and M. The red motor cable plug into the M+ port. The black one, plug into the M port. Locate the cables from the power switch and socket black cable and red cable. Insert the red one into the ACL port. Insert the black one into the ACN port.